guys.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna do Shona versus Finnish. So we just make like a short sentence in English. I will say it in Shona and she will say it in Finnish, or he can also say it in Finnish. Yeah? Yeah? So this one, the first one is easy. The first one, how do you say hi?
Moi. Moi.
And in Shona you say hesi, hesi. And the second one is, how do you say how are you?
I go, how are you? That's really cool. That's really cool.
How do you say how are you in Finnish, Julie?
Moi.
How do you say how are you? Naomi, how do you say how are you?
That's really cool.
You have to say it like very clear.
Mitä sinulle kuuluu? Mitä sulle kuuluu?
Okay. And in Shona you say Makadi. It depends with like who are you are greeting. But in Finnish it doesn't matter who it is.
Makandi.
Makadi is like for the elderly people. And then to fellow young people you can just say should he say how to say my name is blah blah blah.
Mun nimi on. Mun nimi on Michael.
In Shona I say zita rangu ndinonzi Ashley. Zita rangu ndinonzi Ashley. And then I'm hungry.
Mulla on nälkä.
Mulla on nälkä. In Shona
I say first, mommy.
Okay. In Shona is ndinenzara. Ndinenzara.
That's hard.
Ndinenzara. And then I want to sleep.
Mä haluan mennä nukkumaan.
And in Shona it's ndugudakurara. Ndugudakurara. And then I don't know.
En tiedä. En tiedä.
Andizive. How do you say I want to dance?
Minä haluan tanssia. Tanssia. I say first. No, you didn't.
Both of you say first, okay? Both of you say first. High five. Do high five to each other.
Ow, man.
I want to dance. Duruguda kutamba. Duruguda kujiva. Alright, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to watch more videos like this. We can make more expressions in both translations. Thanks for watching and bye!
Bye!